Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and today I'm going to show you how to add stocks and remove stocks from your watch list within the Cash App. Okay, so here we are within the Cash App. Let's go ahead and jump to the investment section of the Cash App where you can invest in stocks and Bitcoin. So let's go back to stocks. I've just started this. I'm doing an experiment on my other channel where I buy $1 of stocks every day to sort of see how it goes. Here's my portfolio so far. I think it'll be interesting, so be sure to check that out as well. Also do the $1 Bitcoin experiment here every day, so you can check that out too. But today I'm going to show you how to add companies to your watch list. So here's the watch list that we have. The design kind of sucks right now if you have a lot of companies on here. I'm guessing that they'll switch this up soon. These ones kind of have a side swiping feature. Maybe they'll do something like that for the watch list. Let's find a company that we want to add. Let's just go to the most traded monthly. We'll tap on Disney. So basically, if you want to add something to your watch list, you're going to tap the follow button in the bottom right corner. So let's go ahead and tap that, and then we can go back. And if we go to our watch list here, there's the watch list. Scroll down, Disney is right there. So that's all you need to know to add something to your watch list. If you want to remove something from your watch list, you can tap on that again. Then you just want to tap this unfollow button. And if we go back, Disney is no longer in my watch list. So there you have it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out the Cash App playlist and the experiments on my channel. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go hard.